a versatile garment with a global following symbolizing African heritage and identity. The traditional dashiki features a distinct V-neck shaped neckline, which is often heavily decorated with embroidery also on sleeves and hem, and in often abstract geometric shapes or floral patterns. The Bohemian dashiki is a modern fusion, blending traditional dashiki patterns with other symbolic elements like feathers for a unique artistic look and sometimes other accessories like earrings that complements the traditional dashiki's aesthetic. The major religion in West Africa are Islam and Christianity, with Islam being the dominant religion in many areas, followed by Christianity. A variety of indigenous belief systems are practiced, such as the Yoruba religion in Nigeria, Akan religion in Ghana, and Bantu religion in Cameroon, and many others. Christians, particularly in areas experiencing conflict, have been targets of violence and attacks, have included church destructions and killings. Let us continue to support West Africa as well as the entire African countries with our prayers. We, the Black women, saying,
May the Lord stand.
And us, thank you.